And I get to a young nigga, I do my own thing, so let me do it. If you wanna know one thing about me, I'm about my paper, fuck a bitch soon as my iPhone ring. I see you later, hop up in the Chevy, grab my keys, and then I'm outie first thing. If it's about that cheese, then I'm about it, I'll be stacking up. Got no time for niggas hating low, we backing up. Keep that clean and watch some Dayton's cruising down the street. Hear my car before it's coming, fuck the police. Windows down, I'm smoking something in my bitch bag. She gon' ride if shit get crazy. Goons masked up, they gon' slide. You tried to play me since a young nigga. Kept that pack up in the telly since a young nigga. Been had tats like Machiavelli. Shoot for fun, nigga. My niggas bust, you better run, nigga. King of fucking everything. Young rich nigga smoking weed when I wanna. 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 When I touch down, had that pack. You fucking with me, fuck the bitch once. She talking about she love with me. Let her smoke weed, drink champagne, do drugs with me. We go out of town, get a red towel, do clubs with me. What you niggas think? Got more bank and more rank. Smoking weed with some bitches in the club who don't drink. Talking about they get money, they got expensive taste. So I put it in her mouth and sent them both on their way. I'll be there for one night, don't give a fuck if I stay. Spent a couple 100,000 in a couple of days. Smoke a pound in my suite and then come up with a play. Bitch came over to my crib and had a comfortable stay. She feeling my car, she feeling my chain. She think I'm a star, I'm feeling the same. I take her abroad, I fuck her insane. I'm switching the broads, I'm killing the game. Long range, king of fucking everything. Young rich nigga smoking weed.